Welcome back to my burner trading account where I post the sauce because nobody follows me here. Posted that I was in this trade earlier about 30 minutes ago, right? So I'm expecting this to push a little bit higher out towards around 3,700, that profit right there. And I shared this with a couple buddies of mine where I am hopefully I do want this to drop a little bit back to order block so I can actually get into this in calls and I could keep forward testing my future strategy on options. But ideally, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for either a straight push up to that bottom resistance right there at the low, or for a small rejection here to order block, and then I'll probably double down here on futures. And if we are open at 6:30 in the morning right here when we hit that order block, I'm probably just gonna load up on calls and take this shit all the way up here. And right now, because of the war news and stuff with what's going on with Iran and Israel, so whatever's going on with them, so you are kind of open to getting kind of fucked because, and I do think the attacks, right, or something is probably potentially happening today. And if that happens, you do have a pretty big chance of this dropping all the way the fuck down to somewhere like around this like 595, probably lower than like between 590 and 595. But ultimately, right, I try to not look at news when I'm trading because I don't really, I don't really listen to news all that much, right? Because when it's up in the chart and when the trade is there, the trade is there. So really what I'm looking for right now, regardless of news, is a drop right here back to order block. Hopefully, I mean, if we shoot up, that's great, but I really would like a drop here just so I can get into calls, right? And then take this all the way back up. And then if news kind of fucks up this trade, then it doesn't really matter because I got stops right under this low. If we go under that low, I don't want to be part of this trade anyways, because there's a really good chance that if you actually close under this low on the 30-minute, more than likely dropping anywhere to between 590 to like 595 on SPY. So I'll see you guys later.